I wanted to share with you what my family ate this year on our annual camping trip. On day one, we ate stir-fried kielbasa with pickled mustard greens along with some steamed rice. For dinner, my auntie made chicken kopon. And then we call it a day. On day two, for breakfast, my auntie made some breakfast burritos. Along with that, my uncle also cooked up some Hmong sausage to pair it with some steamed vegetables and some fresh cooked rice. And then for lunch, we had some crab that my uncle went and caught for us. My mom and my auntie cooked it two ways, one over the grill with some pepper and some fresh herbs, and then my auntie boiled it with some fresh herbs and lots of butter. Along with that, my auntie also made some stir-fried chicken with chili bamboo, and then it was time for lunch.
Here, you gotta get the soup. The soup is the good part.
Yeah, can I get a bowl? Oh, wait, wow.
Oh, good? Okay, good.
Gonna pour some of that delicious crab broth over some fresh steamed rice, and then we call it a day. The next morning, my mom made some sour bamboo with chicken. I also made some cabbage stir-fried with bacon. We had some fresh fruits, and I also made some kimchi fried rice. A little something for the kids and for the elders. This was a super delicious breakfast.
Get on my booty. Oh, let me go get us some napkins. Sand, so you don't step on yours. And look at this is the delicious part.
For dinner, my grandma made her famous purple sticky rice. My auntie made some steak salad here, some stir-fried shrimp with vegetables, and then some of the leftovers that we had from the morning. Some boiled chicken with tofu.
Look at this. Want some of that?
Some fresh cut watermelon and some delicious mouth-watering Lao-style papaya salad to go with the purple sticky rice. And that was everything we ate on our 3-day camping trip. Because we've been camping for so many years now, we're all pretty well organized and prepared and bring essential utensils, ingredients, and items to make it all happen. When it comes to cooking breakfast, lunch, and dinner, we usually split it amongst our family members, so everyone has their own dish that they make for each day, which is super nice because we get to eat a variety of food that you see here. So I hope you enjoy seeing a glimpse of what we like to cook on our annual camp out. Until then, I will see you in my next video.